Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to VLCC Miss Holistic Health Sub Contest. I am Saundarya Sharma, your host for today. They say healthy body, calm mind, and a house full of love. These are the things which cannot be bought. They are earned. And I agree with that. A healthy outside has to definitely start from healthy inside. And today, we are going to achieve exactly that. Today is all about finding VLCC Miss Holistic Health from 15 finalists of VLCC Femina Miss India 2020 co-powered by Sephora and Reposo. VLCC is widely recognized for its comprehensive portfolio of beauty, wellness products and services. Spanning over 330 locations in over 14 countries, VLCC is truly a pioneer in health and wellness space. To assess and evaluate today's sub-contest, we have our esteemed panel of judges. Dr. Anju Ghai, Head Preventive Healthcare, VLCC Healthcare Limited, and Dr. Deepti Verma, Head Nutrition, VLCC Institute, along with the VLCC team. Let's give a big hand for them, guys. Welcome Dr. Anju Ghai. Today we are looking for VLCC Miss Holistic Health. What are your expectations today, ma'am?
I'm so excited to be here with you all, first of all. And as you all know, VLCC as a leading brand of wellness has always promoted holistic health. And so there will be a lot of toe reaching, sky reaching and climbing up the steps and counting of the heartbeats. So I'm excited and there's going to be a lot of energy. So are you guys ready?
Yes! Thank you for that, Dr. Anju. Dr. Deepti, what are your thoughts?
Oh well, I'm quite happy to be here with all of you all, and there's so much of energy coming in, which is so good. And it is so good for VLCC to actually amalgamate with all of you all, so that together we can take fitness forward to all of India and around the globe, I'm sure.
Well, Dr. Deepti Verma, I couldn't agree more. You gotta nourish inside to flourish outside. Thank you, judges. Ladies and gentlemen, with the judges' expectations, we are now ready for this sub-contest to take us to a stage where health and wellness greatly matter. But before we begin, I would first like to take you through the criteria of VLCC Miss Holistic Health sub-contest. The top 15 winners would be judged on the basis of their overall holistic health, including flexibility, posture, body composition analysis, and fitness amongst others. Each state winner to be assessed through various tests to assess their parameters. The VLCC experts will shortlist the top 5 based on these parameters, and the jury shall then decide and derive the winners out of these. So Aishwarya, are you nervous or anxious about today's sub-contest?
Well, I'm ambivalent at the moment, and I think we have some activities and workouts lined up for us. So to assess our holistic health basically, so I'm all prepped up to give in my best. Just wish me luck.
Thanks Aishwarya. What about you, Kushi? How excited are you on the scale of like 1 to 10?
I think on a scale of 1 to 10, I lie at a 10. I'm super excited. The task sounds super challenging, but I think all of us are up for the challenge. And yeah, I think we're all waiting for the adrenaline rush.
Alright girls, thank you so very much for sharing your views. I wish you all the very best for the sub-contest today. So Dr. Deepti, how the experience has been today for you?
Oh, it was fantastic. All the girls were lovely, and in fact it was very tough for us to actually rank 1 to 5. All the best, all women of substance, and VLCC putting things together and making India the fittest. And congratulations for having scored so well.
Thank you, Dr. Deepti. Well, Dr. Anju, what are your thoughts?
Okay, for me it was so much fun and so much energy all over and really enjoyed it. And you know what? fitness and wellness have no boundaries, and you guys are amongst the best of the best. So for us, choosing the first 5 was really difficult and tough. And so everybody, again, you are all winners, and then we have the first 5, and congratulations and wish you all the very best.
Thank you, doctors. Now, going back to my lovely beauties, I just want to take a moment to ask my girls. Guys, did you have fun? Yes! So Supriya, how was your experience today?
So I read somewhere that your body is the greatest asset you can own, and all the contestants couldn't agree less today, I feel. All the challenges were incredibly fun yet challenging, and the BCA test, which is body composition analysis, was so accurate. So let's hope for the best.
Well, friends, if health is really wealth, then we got really wealthier today in presence of Miss India organization, our esteemed panel of judges and top 15 finalists. I'm very pleased to announce the name of top 5 finalists for VLCC Miss Holistic Health Sub-Contest. And the top 5 finalists are
Supriya Daya, Khushi Mishra, Rupali Bhushan, Angela Kumar, and the last spot goes to Aruna Beniwal.
Congratulations to the top 5 state winners of the VLCC Miss Holistic Health Sub-Contest. The results would be announced shortly. Until then, let's cross our fingers and hope may the best one wins. We had an amazing time here. Thank you for your warmth and hospitality. This is Saundarya Sharma signing off. Thank you.